The use of metrology labs and clean rooms isn't a want, it's a need. When accurate temperature, humidity, and particle control is required, the right design-build company is critical. So come with us to Franklin, Ohio and meet Western Environmental Corporation of Ohio. Dating back to 1993, Western Environmental entered the industry determined to make a difference.
Western Environmental is a design builder of clean rooms, metrology labs, and CMM enclosures, all of which require environments of high precision control. Our mission is to carry the customer throughout the entire process, so we'll start off by helping with design concepts and establishing a budget. From there, we'll take care of all the engineering, and then we'll order and fabricate all the material. And once on site, our project managers, they'll take care of the build, and towards the end of that build, our controls team will show up to do the startup, testing, balancing, and certification of the lab. And from there, we offer ongoing support through maintenance and recertification programs. We are a turnkey solution.
From their focus on the design and construction of clean rooms to the design and construction of metrology labs and CMM enclosures, Western Environmental is a company that truly understands and appreciates quality.
Our preferred method of construction is with an insulated modular panel system, but we also renovate existing spaces as well. And what really sets apart WC Clean Rooms from the others is that we don't just supply the enclosure itself. We supply all facets of design. The big one of those being the HVAC and control system, and especially if you need more than just comfort cooling, and your process requires humidity and temperature tolerances, that's where WC really shines, and we guarantee our results. In the metrology world, we're an absolute leader, and as quality becomes more and more important, so does temperature stability, and we're able to achieve with intensive degree consistently with our labs. We're also an ISO 17025 accredited organization, which carries a lot of weight in our industry, and that gives our customer just that further verification they're getting the lab performance they need. And in turn, this also assists our customer in obtaining their own ISO 17025 accreditation.
For Western Environmental, it comes down to experience, dedication, and quality.
We take care of all of our engineering and programming controls in-house right here in Franklin, Ohio. And then most of our staff has been on board for 10 plus years, a lot of them 20 plus. So collectively, our experience is very vast. And then our culture, that's something we all take pride in, has been established since 1993, and that is to take care of the customer. So if there's challenges that arise, as there always will be, we leverage our experience and hang around until it gets resolved. A real testament to that is our customer bases. We have done multiple projects over the course of many years with majority of them. Our reputation in this niche industry is so important of taking care of the customer. WC is a very versatile company, and I mean that in many ways. With the labs we build, we incorporate many different design aspects, so I don't believe there are two of them out there that are quite the same, but also our customer bases. We work with small and large manufacturing, national laboratories, all the way to pharmaceutical and medical device companies, and these are located all over the United States and internationally as well. So we're used to working with different people, subcontractors, and rules and regulation. Our customers know, and the feedback we get is that Western Environmental cares about the industry and their processes as well. We make sure to work with them throughout the entire process, even if it's out of our scope of work, to get the job done.
Creating the necessities of clean rooms, metrology labs, and CMM enclosures, Western Environmental Corporation of Ohio is one of the world's greatest.